What's up, guys? Welcome to our next chapter.
Today we are doing a challenge.
Yes, we are.
Extreme challenge.
And what's that extreme challenge?
We're using sour crybabies to gumballs, putting in here when we're done with these regular ones. And then let's see who finished that. But it makes you cry like a baby.
I'm not really like a big fan of sour stuff.
But you need to do it because this is a video for you guys.
Alright, fine. So, what do I have to do?
What do you do? Dude, people, let me tell you what you have to do. So, first you have to put your hands behind your back.
Okay, my hands are behind my back.
So then, you're going to be like if you're getting the gumball.
Okay.
And you have to plop, when you get a gumball in your mouth, you have to plop it there.
Okay.
Well, and the one thing, you cannot cheat.
Got it.
Cheating is doing... I won! No, that's cheating. And another thing, just getting two at the same time is kind of cheating. So,
Well, how are you going to fit two gumballs in your mouth? I want to see that. I really do. Wait, we haven't even started yet. Okay, ready? Alright, so I'm ready to start whenever you are. So we have to do a countdown, right?
okay.
Okay. 3,
2,
1. Hey, are you gonna help me?
Time to activate dad power.
What are you doing? You can only get one at a time.
Yeah! I won! High five, baby.
Guys, he cheated.
Look, guys.
He cheated. He cheated.
No, I
he
won
did
fair
like
and
this.
square.
Come
I won
on.
fair and square, guys. I did. If you think I won fair and square, you comment down below and let us know.
No, he
But
did not.
everybody knows I won.
No, he did not. I'm gonna eat a gumball.
It looks like the baby has a bunch of gum in his mouth because he must have grabbed some.
Okay, I'll be right back because I'm gonna put the sour ones.
Wait, I'm the evil dad.
Omar, you're...
I want to make another video of like you have to get the prizes inside. I'm a gummy bear.
Yeah, I'm a gummy bear.
Oh, I'm gummy bear. Oh yeah, everybody.
Your tongue is gonna be itching.
Oh yeah, a fire bum bum. Oh yeah, bum bum. Oh yeah, bum bum. Oh yeah, so chico. What can I say? Yourself, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're
You're
welcome.
Okay, we're next with the sour cry babies.
Yep. I'm not very fond of sour stuff, so we'll see how this challenge goes. But I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna win again. That's
No,
just
because
obvious.
he's trying to cheat.
I did not cheat. I did not
Yes,
cheat.
So that's where the lead with that.
Yeah,
But remember,
I
in this
am the
game, you
evil
can't
dad.
be an evil dad, okay?
Fine. Okay, fine.
Okay, let's do this. In 3,
Wait, you gotta put your hands behind your back.
2,
No cheating.
1. No, you have it.
No, that's alright.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's just sour.
I'm getting hair in my mouth.
I can't even grab it, guys. Oh, I need water.
What am I blow? Oh, that's sour.
Okay, you know what? That's enough of that.
No.
It's time for Dad Powers. Dad Powers activate. That didn't work. That did not work at all.
Who has hair? It has hair, right? I only have one more. You're making you cry. You're dropping it.
Hey, you're cheating. You're putting them back in my bowl.
Oh, because they're falling, bro. You gotta put them back in your bowl if you're falling. Ew. You have to get it. Oh, I only have one. Pick it up. I'm not picking up. Bebop, pick it up for Batty.
Camila, you're putting them back in here. They're full of hairs.
I don't care. You gotta do what you gotta do.
You're not even playing.
Yes, I am. I only have one more.
You're cheating by standing up and not playing.
Sure, I have one more. You have a winner. Winner. Wow.
You're not celebrating.
Yeah, because it's not sour.
Yeah, we're supposed to be happy that you won.
Yeah, I am.
Well, that's it, guys. I guess I lost this one. Defeated by the powers of the sour gumballs. I definitely need water.
If you like this video, like, subscribe, and
Turn on
turn on.
notifications.
So, if you want to do the challenge, just go to Dollar Tree and get the regular gumballs and crybabies.
Chapter. All right, guys.
Oh yeah, grab your gumballs and watch your parents cry, babies.
Whatever. She's just saying that because she won the second challenge. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. We'll see you on
Our next chapter.